So good.
So now we're gonna go and turn this into homemade pesto and adding it to it. So today is one of my favorite things to harvest from the garden, which is our homemade basil. And the reason I like to harvest it so much is that we get to turn all of this into pesto. So my mom just educated me, so the way to know where to cut it from, you can see that these baby leaves are starting to grow. So when you cut it, you always want to leave some of the leaves for the next batch to grow and cut right above that. So I left these to grow, but I got this from the top. So we're going to just keep going and doing that for the rest of these. So I see the leaves here, so I can cut above it. And this is our second batch from the same plant. You can see where we cut it the first time over here. So this is all the pesto we just collected. I can already smell it. It smells so good. So now we're gonna go and turn this into homemade pesto. So we got one more homegrown ingredient. This is actually the garlic that we planted, and we harvested this last week. So we can add this to our homemade pesto as well. So all the ingredients are now here to make our homemade pesto. This is all the basil that we collected. It ended up being 2 cups. So to this, I'm gonna add 4 cloves of garlic. Then we have some peanuts. This is gonna be 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Then we are going to add half of a lemon. Then we have our pink Himalayan salt. And then the last ingredient is olive oil. So we finished mixing up the entire pesto. It's very creamy. And my favorite thing to pair it with is grilled cheese that I just made. And I actually like to turn it into a pesto grilled cheese by taking some of the pesto we just made and adding it to it.
So good.